Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the B element in HTML. The B element is very similar to the strong element which we have learned in the previous video. Okay, so if I just go to MDN, so this is the B element documentation, and the B element stands for the bring attention to element. Okay, so the B HTML element is used to draw readers' attention to the element's contents which are not otherwise granted special importance. This was formerly known as the boldface element, and most browsers still draw the text in boldface. Okay? However, you should not use the B for styling text or granting importance. Okay? To grant importance, you should use the strong element, right? So this is the strong importance element. Okay? All right. If you wish to create boldface text, you should use the CSS font weight property. Okay? If you wish to indicate an element is of special importance, you should use the strong element. Okay? So basically, whenever we want to just bring attention to some sort of a content inside of our web page, we use the B element for that. Okay? As you can see, we are having some of the things here. Like the two most popular science courses offered by the schools are chemistry, the study of chemicals and the composition of substances, and physics, the study of the nature and properties of matter and energy. Okay, so as you can see, we are just bringing attention to these two subjects. One of them is chemistry, one of them is physics. Okay, and this is basically that. Okay, and we are having many of the things here as well which we can use. So what I'll do, I'll just copy paste this one here and I'll just paste it down here. And don't worry about the term or something like that, these classes and the IDs. I'll just get rid of this one. Okay, and I'll just save that. And also what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and I'll just paste it down here. Okay, hit save. Now if I just go to the browser as well, before going to that, I'll just show it to you here why they are using this class of term, because inside of the CSS, okay, there are no CSS here, so that is good. Okay, so okay, all right, so let's go to the my website here. And as you can see, the two most popular science courses offered by the schools are chemistry, which is now bolded out, the study of chemicals and the composition of substances, and physics, which is also bolded out, the study of the nature and properties of matter and energy. Okay, so as you can see, whenever you want to bring some attention to some text, you use the B tags for that. Okay, now inside of this particular documentation of the strong tags, okay, here we have this one, the B versus strong. Okay, it is often confusing to new developers why there are so many ways to express the same thing on a rendered website. B and strong are perhaps one of the most common sources of confusion, causing developers to ask, should I use the B or the strong? Don't they both do the same thing? Basically, not exactly. The strong element is used for content that is of greater importance, while the B element is used to draw attention to text without indicating that it's more important. So B element is used when we just want to bring some attention to the text, but it doesn't mean that that particular text has some more importance, while the strong tag indicates like, hey, this text inside of the strong tag has more importance than the other things. Okay, all right, So as you can see, there are some of the other things as well which you can read. So this is basically the B element, or the bring attention to element tag inside of HTML5. Okay, all right. So this is the B element in HTML.